In today's video, I am showing off this networking demo in C++ that uses CMake for a multiplayer card game. So as you can see here, I'm on one tab right now. I have this layout for a board, and I have a card in my hand. And I can take this card and place it in any of these 10 slots to my right or the 10 slots to my left. So let's say I put it, I don't know, in this second defend. I can exit out of this tab and enter this new tab here. And this new tab, you can see the card I placed is shown over there. And I can place this card, so let's just try to block exactly where they put it. And then we go back to the other tab. As you can see in this tab, the cards are synced as well. So both sides can play cards to both of the other computers. And if we look here, this is the server that we had, gameserver.exe, and we can see server, there's a new connection, client started, the client was validated, and then they said they're ready. Then another connection, client started, client approved, client validated, and then player 2 is ready. And then the read header file fails, shows that the program shows when they disconnected. But one thing I can do is, you may have noticed that there was 2 6s of clubs, and that's because the server never sent any cards. Both the clients just started with a 6 of clubs, and the server would just believe whatever they told them. So one way to change this, to make it less, more secure and less hackable, is if I remove that true here, and then turn this back on. What this does is, the server keeps track of all the cards on its own. So what this is saying is if a card that the client sent the server, so that's 6 of clubs, if that location of the card in your hand matches or is less than the size of the server's hand, which means it's possible that it's one of the cards, and the ID matches that card, then it will play it. Otherwise, it will tell the client to remove it. So if I save this and build the project now, we'll see that I won't be able to play the 6 of clubs. So if we go back here and we launch our server, then we launch our 2 clients. Now that our clients are up, now you can see if I place a card somewhere, let's do the same spot, it just disappears. And if I escape and go to the other tab, you can see that no cards showed up here either. And I can place this one wherever, so let's say there, and it just disappears. And we can go back, and this tab has no cards either. And all I did was change the server code for that, so the client stayed the same. So they're still connected to the server, and they're still connected to each other, but the server was able to stop a fake card from going through. Next week, I'll be showing off the full completed version of this game. This was just some of the groundwork that I needed to get done before I could start implementing that stuff. But if you want to see how this CMake and multiplayer setup works in more detail, you should check out this video where I explain exactly that. And until next time, see ya.